Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the error of SEP Mobile 9155. So let's get started. So here I will directly search for the SEP Mobile. Okay. So here we can see the SEP Mobile. If it shows the error, you have to follow this instruction. Just you have to open it, and if it shows directly error, then you have to press and hold it here. Then you have to click on this as I button. It will open your app info section. Then here you have to scroll down and click on the storage. Just click on clear data, just delete it. Then you have to open it again. If it's work, then fine. If it's not work for you, then you have to go to the again at app info, go back one time. So here we can see it. So here you have to go to the last option and just click on here as app detail in store. It will open your Google Play Store. So here we can see the app. So from here you can update it and use it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.